Welcome everyone. Determination of the number of degrees of freedom for a one component system for this phase diagram at point X. At point X, three phases coexist. Therefore, phase P is equal to 3. And since it is a phase diagram for a one component system, hence component C is equal to 1. We know that the degree of freedom F is equal to C minus P plus 2. Therefore, F is equal to 1. It is the value of C minus 3. It is the value of P and plus 2, or F is equal to 0. Thank you for watching this video.